Thought I'd best do an update of my bathroom. That is my bespoke glass door. Slides open. That is my new floor. This is a fully wet room, micro cement. That is where my sink is and my mirror. That is my TV. That's my shower head. That's where a rail's gonna go. That is the old kamikaze. And then this wall here, what we're gonna be doing on this, we're gonna be putting the micro cement on there. And then as a family, we will be doing handprints. So, I thought I'd best do an update on my bathroom. I've done a one-off, unique bathroom. This is a one of a kind. I've never done a bathroom like this in all the years, 26 years. This is a fully walk-in wet room, modern technology. We've got TV in bath, smart TV, 1800 bath. The back panel is tiled that way to break it up because I didn't want it going round. And if I need to get in, I just need to take one tile off, get into the tap, because the tap is, the floor is done in a micro cement. Now this is a new product, fully waterproof. It's a white micro cement. It's a white micro cement with glitter. So everywhere you move around it, it just glitters in a different section. You like it, Tiger? Tiger loves it. He's always in here. There's a beast of the telly. Even tells you the weather. Look at that outside Leeds. Beautiful. And then the toilet's over there. So, which I will give you a demo. So when you're in the shower, the floor don't get wet on that section there. The only part that gets wet in here is here. And then we have the light, which is a remote light. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. You can dim it down. You can change the colour of it. So it's like a warm light, cold light, mist light. Turn it back up. So when you're in the bath, you turn it right down, because this is when you turn the TV off, it goes to a mirror. So if you're in the bath and you're watching TV, just turn it down and you see telly perfectly. The picture is unbelievable. The sound's a bit quiet, just turn it up. But because it's a sealed tight telly, waterproof telly, IP6 rating, 65 rating, it's very high. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Everything else, turn the light back up. Come along here. I thought I'd best dress up for my videos, you know what I mean? Put my suit jacket on. Yeah. Do me hair for you. There. This controls the top shower. That controls this shower, which is still on shortage. It's supposed to come in on the 26th because of COVID. It's been a nightmare getting bits. That, you're hot and cold. This turns the bath on. Control it from here. That's why the shower's here. So when you sat in the bath, you can turn it, alter it, do whatever you want. That other side there, that controls that. This controls that. Outside they don't like it. That is the rainfall. Now, as you can see, none of this is getting wet. Rainfall, it's massive. Now it runs away on the floor. Beautiful. Now it's that big, I can actually walk around it without getting wet. That's how big that is. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it? Right then, I'm going to give you a demo of how my walk-in shower works without getting your feet wet in the toilet when someone's in the shower, so someone can come in and use this space, no problemo. So I will show you how we don't splash out and don't hit the walls. I will just take my jacket off, don't worry. I have got the old nudies on. Whoa, it's cold. Who's heard about that? So then, I'm going to give you a little demo of my shower. How it doesn't touch the walls, the TV, the radiator, nothing. Oh, it's nice and warm. See what it is? When the shower comes down, now you get down this. When it comes down, it's not splashing off your head because the shower head is 600 or is it 500? It's big, so when it comes down and it hits your head, the other rainfall's coming down and it hits the rainfall, goes down. So it goes down straight to the ground. Oh, radiator's not done, you can scrub about, you can do whatever you want. Beautiful. And it's massive. You don't realise how big it is. No one gets wet. Do you know what I mean? Oh, don't worry, I've got my swimming shorts on. See that radiator? I haven't even got wet. Nothing gets wet. This is the best designed bathroom you will see. I'm telling you. No one can go wrong. When no one's to get this rail, I'm going to get this rail for the girls because they don't want to wash their hair like this. It's very hard not to get wet when you stood underneath it. Do you know what I mean? So we'll have a rail there, and then when I want to wash down all these tiles, we all need scrubbing down here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to get me up and I just wax everything. Everything can get wet. It's a wet room. The full floor, it's a micro cement. It's a micro cement floor. So it's smooth. It's just beautiful. I can't describe the feeling of it. And it just flows. Let me dry my hands and I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm on about. So see that part there? That never gets wet. See this part here? Look how that's running away. Okay, it's just lovely. Watch. Squeak. Water up there, runs straight back down. Water up there, runs straight back down. Water up there, runs straight back down. The floor is unbelievable. No dirt sticks to it, no. It's not slipping, but it's not rigid. Look at the water running away in that. What more could you ask for? Look at that. No wet on the radiator. The bath. Look at that. I could sit on that. TV, blow dry. There, all my showers. I had my phone up there. I watch my phone while I'm in shower. I normally watch my iPad, CNBC. It's beautiful. The only thing what you have to watch for in this bathroom is touching that radiator because it's red hot. But that radiator kicks out some right BTUs. Massive. This bathroom is always warm. And I like my house warm because if you notice on my TikTok videos, if you follow me on TikTok, when I get home I take my clothes off and that's it. I don't put clothes on. I walk around my house like that, just in my boxer shorts. So I like my house to be warm. So when I come in this bathroom it's red hot, and that's what you want. You need a rag like that. If you're having a towel rag, you need a towel rag with massive BTUs. Otherwise it's pointless. All it'll do is just warm the towel up. This kicks out loads of heat, and I mean loads of heat. I think there's over 7,000 BTUs, 6,500 or something. It's massive. But then, when you just get underneath the shower, it's like a dream. You stand here, your full body, it's strange. So you don't want it powerful, you just want it falling like this. It's like being in a spa. You know when you go in them fancy gyms and them fancy hotels, and they have them. This is what it's like. Beautiful. Put telly on, watch all you want, just chill out. Cracking. So, I will show you the updated one when we do this wall.